MCAS number 5 Academy Online. This is for question number 7. All right, so question 7 is a multiple choice question. So I'm going to have to figure out 5 people take up 15 feet. So I'm going to figure out how many groups of 5 people are there actually in the 40,700. Again, this is one way. This isn't the only way or the correct way. There's many ways to do this. But 40,700 divided by 5 gives me 8,140 groups of 5. So that's how many groups of 5 that I have. And then there are these 8,140 groups, but each of those 5 people take up 15 feet. So if I know that there's 8,140 groups, each at 15 feet, that gives me a total of 122,100 feet is what all of these people span. And now I just have to see if feet and miles, what the conversion is, and then I can go from there. Well, setting up a proportion is what I'm going to need to do. So to set up a proportion, I'm going to say that 5,280 feet is to 1 mile. You can find that in your planner. You can find it on Google. You're just going to need to know that for high school career too, that 5,280 feet is the same equivalent as 1 mile. So using that fact as a conversion factor, I'm going to set up 5,280 feet is to 1 mile as my 122,100 feet is to X miles. And if I look at my fractions, I can't simplify them. I'm going to have to cross product. So if I cross product, I get 5,280x is equal to my 122,100. And divide that out, I'm losing space, but I get x as 23 and 125 thousandths. Now this is in mile form because I just converted my feet to miles using the conversion factor. So I know that this 122,100 feet is the same as my 23.125 miles. So if I compare the 23 to the 26, I know I'm a little bit shorter than the full marathon. So that's what I'm going to look for. I'm not half longer, I'm not a few miles shorter, perfect. Twice as long, I'm not that. So since I crossed out, I know that the correct answer is C. 23 is a little bit shorter than the 26.2 mile marathon.